Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a fascinating study that challenges the universal notion of comforting those in distress. While it's natural to want to soothe a loved one who's upset, recent research suggests that our approach to this is heavily influenced by cultural norms. The study involved participants from 17 countries and revealed that cultural backgrounds significantly shape how we manage others' emotions, even more so than our own. In individualistic cultures like the United States and Germany, easing someone's emotional pain is seen as a hallmark of care and support. People in these cultures often reframe negative emotions and provide active assistance to help others feel better. On the flip side, in collectivist cultures such as South Korea and Japan, negative emotions are viewed as valuable tools for personal growth and relationship building, rather than something to be immediately alleviated. This cultural distinction influences interpersonal relationships in profound ways. For instance, in Germany, the drive to alleviate a partner's distress is strongly tied to emotional closeness. However, in South Korea, this drive does not necessarily correlate with emotional bonds as strongly. These cultural variations pose significant challenges in various settings, from international workplaces to psychotherapy and diplomatic communications. Addressing these challenges requires us to tailor emotional support in a manner that aligns with diverse cultural values. This study sheds light on how cultural factors play a larger role than previously thought in how we handle others' emotions. By understanding these differences, we can enhance cross-cultural communication and strengthen both personal and professional relationships. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to subscribe for more science content.